This is the simple life in the mountain. Hey, we're here. Ayo! Wow, look at the pig, guys. Look at the Ming Ming. Hi, Ming Pie. Oh, the dog is very thin. Hello. Hey. Tanan! Wow.
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart stops beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes, and I'm feeling like me.
Hello everybody! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So, by the way, Angela, a Filipino vlogger from the mountain, from the Philippines. For today's video, guys, we're going to a sweet potato farm. Wow! We're going to pick some sweet potato. I'm so excited to do it. Ah! Wow, look at the view, guys. I'll show you. Ta-da! It's a very big farm here. No houses, only coconuts. This is where you can see a lot of coconuts, guys, and everywhere. Look. Dakuas kahoy, oh, look at that. Daku ano? What a big tree. It looks like we're in the forest. Kuan ti pulo na. Magabas man na. Pero gahi kayo. It is scary, guys, for the snake. The snake will get scared of us. Ang snake na mad. Look. Look. Ay, binang ko to. Tawag anak, te. Kato makaon. Makahilo man to, no? That was poisonous, guys. Poisonous fruit. You will die if you eat that. Butterfly. Ang gidaan eh. Butterfly. Ito mo uban?
Mapas kasi ya, mulat siya to ya.
Kamu nila kawon ya sige diri no? Kakuyag mabalintong. So many kuan, guys, oh. Coconuts. What? Huh? Kisang balay. Who's that house? You know what, guys? I used to pick some coconut fruit here on the ground during typhoon and sell it. And we used to get some mountain crab. Mountain crab. Wait, there's so many mountain crab. Look at the Kwan River, guys. River pond. Look. Wow, nani kayo ka? Naani? Look. And with the coconuts around. Scary. Naana ng mga malamala dapit.
Wala kay may lamang suba.
Anay, daghan na gani bais diri.
Wala ulok-ulok may daghan.
Ulok-ulok.
Wala.
Pito-pito. Ulok-ulok. Kagrabe naman ang ulok-ulok. Before guys, there's so many crabs here. Napagadala ko gloves, no? Ano na ang kilid? Wala lagi timay.
Wala na. Nahurot na tong baha.
Nabayaan na diri sa kilid. Ana ni mga mayos gani timay.
Na, ajud. Nahurot tong baha.
Wala na jud timay.
Wala na jud ni.
No more crab, guys. Unlike when I was 10 years old, so many crab here. Kiyaw, kaw. Kiyaw, kiyaw. So we call the mountain crab is kayaw-kaw. Kayaw-kaw. Ta. Uy, what are you doing there? Ah, this is where you make the charcoal, guys. Look. So they will burn it here and put some water. Hay, sada diri no kay. Ay. Uy, lami ba yan ate? Bugnay.
Oh. Na, nabunga. Wala.
That's berry. Berry, guys. Red berries. Nailubi ato. Oh. Mulak. So many coconuts. It's really big farm. And this is cassava, guys. Where are you, kids? Where are you? The cassava is so tall. Taller than me. Wow. So we're here in the farm, guys. Farmhouse. Wow, they're harvesting kuan. Ay, vlogger. They're harvesting corns. Sige, tabang ko. Hala, mga ikog butong.
Butog ko na yun.
We're here, guys. Whew. Jackfruit tree. Wow, they have ming here. Naraba iro. Moringa. Look at the moringa, guys. This is the simple life in the mountain. Kaon natin, May. Wow, banana, oh. So big. Kaon natin, May. Hi, dagas na flowers, oh. They have so many flowers.
Kaunya pa man yan, mama.
Yay, we're here.
Ayaw. Gabaya akong vlogger.
Ayaw! Look, there is a... Wow, look at the pig, guys. Look at the Ming. Hi, Ming Pie. Oh, the dog is very thin. Hello. Hey.
Me? Pili.
Karira ako, ah.
Ano yung tanan mo na eh?
So we will start digging now. Some sweet potato. Ow! Guys, the sign of there is a sweet potato under is there is a crack. Ay, nanay bulak, oh. So, when the sweet potato is ready to harvest, there is a flower. Uy! Uy! It will gonna produce flowers like this. Look. Ta-da! Wow! Hawaog di may no. Look! Found it.
Kuring nakikita.
Oh, mana na. Naisudlanan. Ay, lako laki. Look! Asa tog sudlanan? Kaya. Look. Look. bad. Another one. Look. Look guys. Wow, buta ari. Wow, that's very big. Wow, look at that guys. It's so big. Tanan. Look. Ah, sana all. Daghan yang kita nom.
Ah, ni, hugadugan ni. Para apa ni?
Ah, iya had.
Bulan yun na lang man. Nenay. Nanay ko.
Unya ng gabi eh. So, lara niya ng gabi iya.
Ayo, yo. Oh, lala ko niyang kape.
Akan eh?
Dalawang gikir na, anak.
Dili. Ay, dili mo yung amaha. Nung nga nailain, Apo na siyang naabot diri, no?
Naman. Ano man Karen?
Lo, yan niya, natanggong. Ipod. Ay, madlo ko
Anay, ato sa tabuay. Umahawak dan sa anong tabahay. Ato sa tabuay. Ay, kalayo. Kaya ato man naman.
Nanay, kanya sampot. Ito pang himasa.
Hindi ay.
Ada man ang ngalan na ko.
Nasa ngalan ni mo?
Henry.
Tawa kaya ako nagpabutang sa iya.
Lami na dagway na. May kari dagway.
Ah, Hira?
Okay ra na.
Mm.
Juta ra na. May sara man.
Hmm.
May si Aaron. Otra ka man din. Para may. Plato la may man din.
Wow, mga on nataasan ng po.
Para sa kuya uyo mga are may.
Nalimot de guys, Crispy dyan.
Nala may. Ako sa kapitan ni ang pagkakas.
Eh,
Sige na may, sige na may.
sige ya.
Asa na ba to siyo? Ako bayak na. Lum, pana kita tulugon na. Makiyog ko.
Katulog mo dagan asa.
Dili na po kanon. Dili na tagdo na. Adin an. Dili tagdon. Dusok man. Aw. Girl. Adi mo naman patalaga. Tagdo. Ni, da so da. Di na kana. Uy mi.
Da?
Anda to taga.
Bayan ko.
Uy. Uy may may.